Hey guys, I'm back again. This will be my third video for my 10-gallon fish tank, 11 goldfishes. Today I went to Walmart, got a new air script for it, the wall script, to the back there. Give them more air and give them more bubbles in there and make the wall like it's a bubble wall to the back part of the tank. You go down there to your local Walmart, pay about $6 for it. That would be the little script right there called the bubble wall script. It's like 14 inches. So, you like it, comment below, subscribe. And keep doing videos till I drain this tank. I videoed it when I drain it. Show you how I go back up with the water. Show you the process what I go with to get it clearer like that. You can see it starting the time for me to drain it. You see the water starting to evaporate up in this area. I usually put my water all the way up to the top. You wouldn't see this if you filled up with water. See it starting to go down now. Back leg again. It would be soul. I think the soul plane. Yeah, that soul plane. That's the TV you're actually looking at right now. That soul plane. And now you're looking at soul plane through the on TV, through the fish tank. That's how clear it would be. Look at that. We should have a lighter part where y'all can see. See, yeah, there you go. The little boy, white boy, whatever. My bad for saying that. Little guy. On soul plane. Far distance shot from her. That's how she would look, adding that back wall script with the bubble walls. That's a 10-gallon fish tank, 11 goldfishes. Say it can't be done. Only 4 for every 10 gallon. Water crispy clear. The water this water probably been in the tank right now for going on a week. You're usually supposed to do you're mandatory supposed to do your water change 20% every week. But since I started to work on my clearing my water up, I didn't want to drain it so quick because I just got it clear. Want to see how long it's gonna stay clear. So I'll probably be doing my water cleaning thing sometime next week, and I'll video it for you guys to see it. I repeat, that's a 10-gallon fish tank with 11 goldfishes. And I've been doing it for about 4 months now. This video is based on the back wall script. That's why I recorded this video. Let y'all guys see how that back wall works in a fish tank. Kind of make that wall to a bubble wall.